Feta eggs with zucchini. It's breakfast for dinner at our house tonight. We've got our veggies on the bottom, some soft yolks on top. You can make them hard yolks if you want, and a side of sourdough. Let's take a look. This is from the Skinny Taste website. You are going to love it. I've got a zucchini from my garden. We'll go ahead and grate that first. You know, you can make this recipe any time of year, even when you don't have fresh zucchini in your backyard. Zucchini is easy to get any time of year, and it's pretty inexpensive too. I need some grated onion too. So I had some red onion in the fridge, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that today. Definitely use the food holder here. It'll protect your fingers. This makes your onion super fine. It'll be easy for it to cook quickly in the skillet. I'm gonna cook our eggs today in the 10-inch stainless steel skillet. Take a look, there are no rivets in here, so it's super easy to clean up. To start us off, I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna squeeze the buttons. Watch up here. Isn't that cool? So we'll just add a little bit until it starts to shimmer. I can see my pan is on just under medium. Never ever use high heat. You don't need to. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add some zucchini. It might sizzle, so be careful. And some of the red onion. This is so easy to make. Just a fun way to use up some vegetables and have some protein. Okay. Sometimes that liquid hits the oil and it wants to pop a little bit, so just be a little careful. While you can use metal tools in our stainless cookware, I prefer to use our silicone tools, non-metal tools, because I don't want the scratching that will happen. It won't hurt your skillet. I just like mine to look pretty. Okay, so now that this is cooked pretty well, I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it into a thin layer, and we'll add some feta cheese over the top. Just gonna sprinkle it. We're gonna let it cook until it starts to melt. Okay. Give a nice little layer. I've got my eggs here, and I'm gonna make a little divot so they don't totally roll over the edge. And check this out. 2 eggs. I'm gonna put one on each side here. Careful. Okay. We'll add the lid and let it cook for just a couple minutes until everything is set. It's been a couple minutes. Let's take the lid off and take a look. Those look nice and done. So how do you know if your eggs are done? Well, let's see. My eggs, my whites are totally done. And then as far as your yolks, it's just a matter of personal preference. You can add some salt and pepper if you want to. I'm gonna skip the salt because the feta that's underneath the eggs is salty enough. I am gonna add some of our bell pepper and herb rub over the top, just for a little extra color and flavor. You can certainly put this on your zucchini while you're cooking that if you want to. And then everything will come out just perfectly.